guess what we're doing today? I'm finally opening up this wig that I ordered. So if you want to watch that video, stay here so you can watch me unbox it. So I'm gonna do a quick wig review. So if you want to see what type of wig I got and how it's gonna look on my head, then keep watching. So I went online and I saw a random photo somewhere and I was like, oh, that looks good. And headband wigs are in style now. So I'm going to dinner tonight and we're going to STK and I'm really excited. I'm going on a date. So I ordered this wig. It's 100% human hair. It came in this little bag. Don't ask me where it came from. Hopefully the information will be in here. But anyway, it's a 24-inch headband wig. And I figured, hey, why not open it up on cameras? Just in case anybody else is interested in a headband wig, they can order from where I got it. So I will definitely put the link below if you're interested in this wig. Anyway, so this must be the little headband. I'm glad that they sent this because I do want to wear pink. It's going to be a little cold tonight. It's going to be 40 some odd degrees here in Orlando. So I don't know about wearing a dress, but this is a cute little something or another. I don't know, maybe we'll try to dress that up. If not, I have this cute little Louis Vuitton scarf that I can wear. So, but this is what comes in the bag. It says, thank you for your purchase. And it says, best price, trusted quality, high quality and unprocessed human virgin hair, 100% human hair, competitive price, no shedding, no tangle, top quality, quick delivery. I've never purchased from them before, but it tells you the maintenance on the back. It says, it just tells you how to take care of it, to use mild shampoo, lukewarm water. It tells you what to do when brushing the hair. Do not rub or twist the hair. So yeah, you can put conditioner in and all that jazz. And then it came with a wig cap. I don't really wear these things, but we'll see. Oh, look. They put some mink lashes in there for me. Look, this is a really good company to order from. So these lashes are pretty, let me take it out of the package so you can see. Because these lashes are pretty cute. And I'm gonna put lashes on tonight. And I have some lashes that I was gonna wear, but I'm gonna wear these. And the strip isn't too thick either. Can you see that? So hopefully you can see that. So this is how the wig comes in a bag, just like this. It's a curly wig. And I'm trying to see, where's my receipt? Right? Isn't that interesting? So there's no receipt. There's no receipt in the bag, which is super strange, but whatever. Let me grab my phone and then I'll be able to tell you where I purchased it from. Okay, I think I found it. I got it from a website called Jessie's Selection. So it's 180% density. It's 24 inches. The one that I ordered, I wish I could tell you how much I paid for this. Okay, I paid $147 for this. So plus tax or whatever. I think the original price was $162.99. I had a discount code or something like that. So I paid $147, and yes, it is Jessie's Selection. I ordered, it just says flash sale curly headband wigs, human hair, Brazilian virgin hair, half wigs for Black women. That's just what it says. I don't know what but this is the photo, if you guys want to see it. The model is wearing 26 inches. Oh darn, I should have got 26 inches. That's okay, I got 24. But anyway, if you can see that. So that's what I ordered right there. And they're having a New Year style sale, whatever. It says that it's $59.99 now. So let's just see what this wig is looking like, because I don't know. So I'm just gonna try it on, and then I'll style it, and then I will put my outfit together, and then I'll show you guys what I'm going to be looking like tonight. So let's just try it on. I have never worn a headband wig. Now, I know you're supposed to have like some hair out in the front. I had my mom like braid this part of my hair this way just in case I need to take that part of my hair out. But for now, it comes with the 3 combs, just like any headband wig, just like that. So I'm just gonna put this on. I don't know if I want to use these combs because this thing is snug, and it has the comb in the back. I mean, this thing is like really, really snug. Now, I mean, I know I have a large head, but it's pretty snug. So this is how it goes on, and it's pretty easy actually. Let me flip this forward. Yeah, this is pretty much in there, so it's very, very snug, FYI. But I know you guys will be anxious to see the curl pattern. If I could get this on my head. For now, this will do. This will do. For the meantime, I'm probably gonna have to fix this. But okay, so you can kind of see how it is. I'm definitely going to like wet this because yeah. But if you want to just see what it looks like with their headband that they sent me, I will put that on too. So you can kind of get an idea of how it looks. Maybe like this. Yeah, okay. So there you go. So yeah, that's it. Like, it's so easy, and you know, you could just do your little edges and zhuzh it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and spray it down and get it nice and curly. You guys can see like the length. This is a 24 inch. And then I'll come back once I'm dressed, show you the whole outfit and my hair and my lashes, okay? Okay, so here's how the wig came out. You know, I don't know if I like it so big like this, but it's fun for tonight. This doesn't really match with what I'm wearing, but the dress that I had on, like, it kind of ripped a little bit, so I have to get it fixed, so I can't wear that. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these type of videos and you want me to, you know, give a little follow-up on like this wig or whatever, if you want me to do more wigs, let me know. Just comment below, but thank you so much for watching. I am gonna have to get some different type of headbands, but this is gonna have to do for tonight, so hopefully this looks okay. But if you can see, I have on flip-flops, but these are the shoes that I'm actually going to wear tonight. These are the shoes that I'm actually gonna wear tonight. I just have on some slides to like run downstairs really quick. So hopefully you can see this. I have on a fur coat because it is going to be really, really cold later tonight. I did not buy this. My grandmother gave me this. She had it when she was very young. So I have one for my grandmother and one for my great-grandmother. So me personally, I won't be buying any furs. I will be wearing faux furs. Like, that's just a better route to go in my personal opinion. But this is all I have to keep me warm that matches. So I had to wear it, so don't hate me. This is what I'm wearing, a cute little dress. This is how the wig came out. Hopefully you guys think it's cute. Yeah. So my house is a complete wreck, but stay tuned for the updated apartment tour, like the furnished apartment tour. So hopefully you guys like what you see. I hope you like it. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.